What's going on, guys? Simply Pops here, back at it again with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the 2018 HomePod. Now, I always wanted another HomePod, but I couldn't justify spending $350 again. So today, I decided to pick another one up for stereo pairing. Now, before we get into the unboxing, I want to shout out Grid Frame Studio for sending out this masterpiece here. This is an iPhone 4S disassembled. You have all the parts labeled. This is just insane. So they send this out exactly on my birthday, November 30th. Shout out to everybody who wished me a happy birthday. And they even engraved my name, Simply Pops, in collaboration with Grid. So if you guys want to check out their stuff, they disassembled an iPod Touch, the Nokia phone, the BlackBerry, and it's just something to showcase. And even from the unboxing experience, they really did took their time with it. It was just like, I was jaw dropped, man. And it came on my birthday, so it was only right. So shout out to Grid Frame Studio. I throw a link in the description down below. And just for you guys, I have a $20 off coupon. So if you use the link in the description, you get $20 off on any frame you get. I actually did a same day delivery, and it was so weird because it was a regular person driving a regular car. Man, when the HomePod first came out, I remember waiting all night for the pre-order, but Apple didn't activate the pre-order until 8 a.m. Back in the days, it was always 3 a.m. my time because California time is 12 a.m. So yeah, and I was getting ready for school and all of that. This is hitting home for me a little bit in terms of nostalgia. Now, of course, I picked up the Space Gray to have some kind of unity. Okay. I actually picked this up perfect time because Apple was doing a little bit of a sale where if you buy an Apple product or buy anything from Apple, you get an Apple gift card. So it varies on the product on the amount that Apple is going to send you with the Apple card. So for the HomePod, it was $100. And thanks to my dad, he has a $200 Apple card. He gave it to me, and he have a Barclays card. So that's how he was able to get the iMac Pro. And yeah, so I basically got the HomePod for free. And basically what I mean by that is since the gift card from Apple was $200, I was able to get this and then Apple sent me $100. So essentially it's $300. I kind of got this free, but I was charged $100. So give or take, I could buy anything else from Apple. Most likely I'm probably gonna get the new AirPods that comes out. So yeah, exactly the same. Exactly the same, nothing new here. And you have your Apple stickers and your booklet. And yeah, just having the two HomePods. Let's get all the HomePod family together here, man. Everything is just such a family here. This is insane. Man, you guys know I'm a big Apple fan for buying the HomePod. When it first came out too, when I brought this for the first time, everybody called me crazy. A Siri speaker for $350? You nuts. But boy, oh boy, this was one of my favorite purchases. It's definitely one of the most underrated Apple products, in my opinion. The sound quality makes it worth the price, in my opinion. That's just me. But Siri, not so much. All right, so the HomePod is plugged in. It made a little sound effect. So pairing process is exactly the same like the Mini and just like the OG HomePod. So you just take your iPhone, you hover over next to it, and you're gonna be presented with this. So yeah, so you have your same setup. So I'm gonna put this in the bedroom. You have your personal requests. Of course, we're gonna use that. If you've been to the Apple store, you don't really get a chance to really feel the sound because, oh, there it goes. HomePod is ready. Now, as I was saying, last year I visited the Apple store in Fifth Avenue. That's the best Apple store, the most popular one, the most historic one. So when I was there, they had a home theater setup with just the two HomePods. But on the other side, there was also two HomePods as well. But it's nothing like a glass or anything like that. So when I'm hearing it, I'm like, damn, that's it? The two HomePods? It was like, it sounded incredible, but I'm not sure if it was just 4 HomePods that I'm hearing or if it's just the 2. But man, HomePods sound incredible, but it's nothing like experiencing the sound quality in the comfort of your own home. I just tap on play and it just started playing music. And that's just one HomePod. So let's see if we could pair up 2 HomePods. Can we pair up 3? Can we pair up 3 HomePods? Yo, I'm getting excited. Seriously, I gotta play non-copyright music. I'm not trying to get hit here, but Apple should really make a TV speaker, like, or maybe make a HomePod soundbar. Putting that Apple touch to it, that HomePod touch to it, I'm buying it. All right, so I download some Epidemic Sounds, some hip hop beats, just to test out the bass. All right, the HomePod Mini is not connected. Rich bass. Hold on, let me turn this up a little bit. 50%. Max volume? Let's see. Yo, HomePods always get, yo, this is, it's kind of like me getting a HomePod yet again. I mean, that exactly is. But when I first played the HomePod, just one HomePod, I was blown away. For some reason, I wasn't expecting it to be this good. All right, hold on. I'm getting a phone call. I'll be right back. Yeah, HomePod, having two HomePods, totally different ball game, totally different experience. The bass is so rich. And then I got to play some like real music to really hear the vocals. Let me play another song. It actually has, wow, yeah, yeah. Yeah, this is fire. All right, 100%. Yo, I don't want to get any neighbor complaints. These things are loud, but it's loud to the point where it's not distorting the bass. You're still getting that clean, rich bass, but two HomePods. I'm just ready to party. You know what I'm saying? If you live in an apartment, you got to be careful. Maybe, you know, you don't want to get any complaints. That's why with a HomePod Mini comes into play. But these two HomePods, something else, man. I'll be right back. Let me play some real music, some real music, Billie Eilish and some Pop Smoke, and this is nuts. This is literally nuts. This is insane. It is a little pricey to get both these HomePods because $300 a piece, and then another $300. That's $600 right there, and especially someone like me who brought the HomePod when it first came out for $379. Yeah, it can get pretty pricey, but I would say, holy crap, guys, this is worth it. But it's just kind of hard to justify that $600 price tag. But if you have the money to spend, I highly encourage you guys to check out the HomePod, the stereo mode. Get two of these, you're not going to be disappointed. I think for someone who doesn't really like all that bass and you can't adjust the EQ whatsoever, you may be a little disappointed if you just like the treble. But I'm a bass head. I love bass. I listen to rap. I listen to R&B. The bass and even the mids, it's really that good. I didn't buy this for the Siri capabilities. I bought this for the sound quality. And if you ask Siri the weather and some, define this word, spell this word, you'll be able to accomplish that. And you can even set alarms and whatnot. But it's all about the sound for me. But Apple definitely did went out on this one, I must say. If you're buying this for an Apple lover, they're gonna appreciate this. Let that sink in. Let that rock. Let that rock. This is beautiful. All right, just an added bonus, the video is basically done. The intercom feature works. I'm going to use my Apple Watch to intercom these two HomePods. So hold on. Intercom everyone to subscribe to Simply Pops with notifications on. Help me reach to 100,000 subscribers before the year ends. It says 200,000.
Okay, intercom to everyone in my room.
Everyone to subscribe to Simply Pops with notifications. Yep. It works.